and welcome to part 3 of Hilo Hawaii. Today we're going to take you to the other side of the volcano so you can get a glimpse of Kilauea Pele. And this is the volcano that is actually erupting right now over there in Hawaii. And we're also going to take you to a lava tube and we're going to show you what that's all about. That is amazing. So like I said, this is on the other side of the volcano. It's called a lava lake. This is the other side over here. So this is the Hamaulua, which is a pit crater located within the summit caldera, and it has an active lava lake. So at night, this whole area glows like a red orange at nighttime. So if you want to see more on volcanoes, go check out part 1. Okay, not too far from that area is the Thurston lava tubes. And this is a really neat thing to go through. A lot of it's dark, but you're going to get the gist of how it is. So if you ever get a chance to do a lava tube, do it. Well, otherwise I get your head in all my videos. There's the front side of her now. All right, this is a little bit of a steep. It's steep. The walk to the Thurston lava tube starts from a parking area within the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. The trail leading to the tube is a well-maintained half-mile loop that descends through a dense tropical rainforest. The path is alive with sounds of native birds and leaves and setting a serene backdrop as you approach the tube. The scenic route is suitable for all ages, and it provides numerous photo opportunities amid the lush greenery. There are several informational signs around the tube that provide insights into the formation of lava tubes and the broader geological activity of the area. Okay, so we're coming up on the lava tube. That's just really cool. I bet, you know what? Oh, it's soft. So like I said, about 500 years ago, Kilauea erupted and molten lava flowed. And as it cooled, it solidified at the outer layers and the interior lava continued to flow. And eventually the inner lava drained away, leaving behind this hollow tunnel that we see today. And in 1913, Lauren Thurston, a local newspaper publisher, stumbled upon this hidden cave. Hence, Thurston's lava tubes. So the cave is lined with red lighting, which makes it hard on the video, but I will try to lighten it up for you. Well, this is it. Be careful, you guys. It's real uneven. I gotta try. Stepping inside the Thurston lava tube, you're immediately enveloped in a cool, damp environment, distinctly different from the forest outside. The ceiling of the tube is dotted with small stalactites and patches of flowstone, created by minerals deposited over the centuries. The walls show various shades of color, reflecting the mineral content and the temperatures at which the lava cooled. Subtile lighting installed along the path highlights these features. So it is lined with the little lights right there, but it's still hard to see unless you have your camera on. Oh, what's that? Watch your head, y'all. And there's puddles here, see? There's a puddle there. Big puddle. Big puddle. The tour through the Thurston lava tubes itself can be completed in about 20 minutes, depending on your pace. Since it's a self-guided walk, you will have the flexibility to spend as little or as much time as you like exploring the details inside the tube. The entire loop trail, including the walk through the forest to and from the lava tube, typically takes about an hour to complete. Makes a convenient and enriching experience for even those with limited time, which we were on limited time, but we did it all. After the third chancer spin shot, I gave up. Okay, we are just about out of here. Wasn't that long of a tunnel, but this is really, really cool. Something you should probably go. It wasn't that bad of a walk either, so. I hope you enjoyed part 3 of Hilo Hawaii and going through the lava tubes and seeing the other side of the volcano and enjoying the day with my great company, Diana, Tammy, and Scott. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it is up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.